YouTube. This is low tier. This is low tier. This is for you bitch. This is for you pussy dumb bitch, pussy bitch, dumb crybaby, pussy bitch, crybaby, complaining vagina having on Xbox vagina. So what? I said you're a fucking scrub. So what? I said you're a boy. So what? I said you're a crybaby. Are you a man or are you a fucking bitch?
It's the same old fucking shit!
Oh my god! Wow! This motherfucking shit is garbage!
This is a waste of my fucking time. Don't waste my fucking time. Don't waste my fucking time, bro.
This motherfucker!
What the fuck?
Constipated. Bitch. Crybaby. Mentally touchable. Notice I didn't say untouchable because no low tier God is.
It's the same old fucking shit!